Welcome to Kuber Kushagra AI. We are actively developing an AI system designed to assist with stock trading decisions in the share market. While we are currently in an experimental phase and refining our engine, we are committed to transparency, documenting and sharing the outcomes generated by this AI system. It is important to exercise caution when considering these transactions and conduct a thorough research of your own before following our actions. Please note that the stock market is inherently volatile and losses can occur unpredictably. Therefore, making informed decisions is paramount. Again, this video is for education purposes only. So the stock idea that we have for today is Asahi India Glass Limited, and this is for trading for Thursday, 28th of March. Asahi India is right now trading at around 534 rupees. The target price would be 588 with a stop loss of 525. The reason why this recommendation has come through is because for the past few days, it is trading near the lower band and it may go higher. If you also look at the RSI, it is in between, so it's not overbought or oversold at the moment. But this would be a good idea considering the beta ratio being 0.45, so it is less risky. So this is the idea for today. I also wanted to highlight one of the previous idea that we had shared of Phenolux cables. Now, we had shared this on 19th of March, and within a few days, this stock has really generated 10% of returns in a matter of days. It is right now trading at 974, and we are hoping that it will go even higher. But the moment it slides by, say, 0.5%, it would be a good idea to exit out of this stock. So that's all we have for today. And again, want to emphasize that do not make decisions based solely on this video. Do your own research, and we'll keep you posted on how this AI engine performs. Thank you.